Hello, everyone. So I look a hot ass mess, but it's okay. But it's been like it was a long night yesterday. It's still a long day today, and I haven't eaten, and so I'm like cooking now. And I forgot that I said that I was going to vlog this when I was cooking. So I'm doing stuffed peppers, like bell peppers you get, and I'm going to stuff them. Now I only had this one time, and me and one of my best friends, Nicole, we made it, and it turned out like great. Like I enjoyed it so much, and I think we made cornbread with it. So this time I'm pretty much going to do the same thing that we did last time, but I'm going to do just slightly different, and then I'm still going to cook cornbread. But yeah, I just totally forgot that I was going to show you guys like how it turned out, because this is only my second time eating stuffed peppers. Like I don't go to the restaurant and order this, and I don't cook this often. So I forgot that I was going to show you. So here it goes. And I already that was supposed to be, I guess, a segue to something else, but anyway, I'm still here. So I already started on the ground beef, so I'm about to show you guys that process, what I put in it, and then I already started like mixing my cornbread ingredients, so I'm about to show you that process. This is the ground beef that I already have in my pan cooking. I'm about to show you the seasoning that I use for this. This is also just lean ground beef, 1 pack actually, that I got from Lido's, and it looks like a lot too for just 1 pack. And so what I used was, let's see, I have Lawry's seasoning salt. That's what I used. I also put in some parsley. I also put in some basil, and I think that's all that I put in there. It smells really good. It smells really good. And so something different that I didn't do the last time that I cooked stuffed peppers with my friend Nicole is I didn't put any like tomato sauce in it. And so today I'm gonna try that. I'm just gonna put in some tomato sauce. I got my rice back here. It's already cooked. I'm about to show you the rice that I used, y'all. Come on over to my pantry. All right, so this is like literally my pantry. All right, but got some other stuff up there, but y'all need to see all that medicine, stuff like that, cans. But anyway, so this is what I used for that rice. Honestly, like I even have blue ribbon white rice right here. But honestly, since Nicole has introduced me to this rice cooks, I can cook this rice much better than I can cook white rice. It's softer, like the texture is just a lot better. Like when, when you like cook rice and you put it in your fridge and then you try to like eat it the next day and then it's just like clumped together. It's just not as good as like how you cooked it. Like this rice, you can put it in your fridge and take it back out and it's still nice and soft and it still works. So that's what I have going right here. Pretty much what I'm gonna cut a hole in the top of the bell pepper, and then I'm gonna stuff it with this. I'm gonna stuff it with the rice, and then I'm gonna put some cheese on top. Pretty simple guys. Okay, over here I have my cornbread. So I'm about to show you. I already threw it away, but here, Jiffy cornbread mix. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Like that, I don't do it from scratch. But what I have over here is, after I put the Jiffy cornbread mix in here, they said like 1/3 cup of milk. So I just got my carnation milk. I don't use like regular milk. This is like carnation milk that my mom has taught me that people use for cooking. Look, it even says the cooking milk. So I put 1/3 cup in there. I put some butter in there, and I put some syrup in there, and that's how I kind of make it my own, like because they don't say add all that. So it makes it sweeter. It makes it taste a lot better. It just adds your own little twist to it. So I also put one egg in here. I cracked 1 egg in here. So yep, so I'm about to put that in my pan. I'm about to put this in the oven. And soon, hopefully the next video that you see is this will be in the oven, and Maybe I would have already added the tomato sauce, and then maybe you'll see me like put it in the pan. I don't know. I don't know what the next video about to look like, but you see the process. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. Even though to y'all I never went anywhere, but I have put the cornbread in the oven. It's cooking fast, cooking nicely. I put the diced tomatoes in here. I thought I was gonna add like more sauce, like my chili or like spaghetti, like more tomato sauce, but it was just literally diced tomatoes. Diced up tomatoes, which is fine. Like, I don't have an issue with tomatoes, but I just thought it would give me a little more sauce than it did. And so I already showed you my rice. And so these are my bell peppers that I've cut up. Pretty much all I did was like cut up the top, like almost like a hat. And I'm gonna show you guys what I cut off. Like, this is what I cut off of the bell peppers. And then like I also like trimmed, like cut a little bit of what was inside, like, and I rinsed it out because we don't need like seeds in it and stuff. So I rinsed it out, put some foil in my pan. So I have some extra bell peppers just in case I have more ingredients, but I'm about to stuff them and we're about to go from there. But yes, I've literally just been like off camera, been eating the ingredients from the cornbread off the bowl. Like, I don't cook that, I mean, I don't bake that often. I cook often, but I don't bake that often. Like, I don't really like cake or cupcakes, but like I'll bake pies, or I'll like cornbread or Charleston Chewy, which is definitely gonna be a video. Charleston Chewy is amazing, but I love just like eating the bowl or like licking the bowl, whatever. All right, so I'm about to stuff the peppers. I will show you guys how they look before going in, and I'm gonna top it with cheese. So y'all probably aren't gonna, y'all just gonna see it stuffed. Y'all aren't gonna see the process because it's gonna be harder core, but I'm probably gonna put a little bit of, I'm probably gonna put rice first, then this, rice, then this, and then add some cheese. Or I don't really know. Like, I don't know, but I'm just gonna layer it almost like lasagna. Like, I'm gonna put rice, the beef, maybe cheese, rice, beef, cheese, and then I'm gonna top it with cheese. So that's might be how I do it. I actually might record that. Let's see. Is this a good angle? Okay. I actually might record it. All right. So I'm gonna get the rice. Okay, so I stuffed them. I put rice in first, and I put my ground beef. This one continues to fall over. Like, oh my God, it doesn't stay up. But you know what? Because I have like a lot more ground beef left and like, you know, like a little bit of rice, I'm gonna top each of these with rice. But because I just love this rice. But what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna cut like one more bell pepper. Because, I mean, I have two more, but I also cook with bell peppers, like, when I make omelets and stuff. So I might just cut one more and then use the other bell pepper for, like, other things I'm doing. And I'm probably going to shift the cornbread to the upper shelf. So, sorry, y'all. I'm a little sick, too. I hope y'all aren't getting grossed out. I'm the only one eating this. But I'm, like, sniffling. I'm sick. Whatever case is. Okay, so I'm about to cut another bell pepper and then we'll go from there. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. rice, beef, and then I put more rice, more beef, and then I just topped it with cheese. Because I'm not like a big cheesy person. So, you know, I still have some left over for those cheesy people. Like, you see, it's mild. I'm not a cheesy person. So for those cheesy people, you probably can, like, layer it with more cheese. Or you can always just add cheese when it's done. But, yeah, I'm so irritated that this one keeps falling over. But, oh, well. So I am about to very carefully put this in the oven because that one is also leaning on that one for support. Okay? I'm about to put it in the oven. My cornbread, I need to move this. Looks like the bottom is cooking very fast. So I'm about to carefully put this in the oven, and then I will show you guys the final product. Since I'm hungry in the meantime, I'm probably just going to eat that with some rice or something. Keep me going, okay? So I will show you the finished product. Yeah. Hey, so I almost forgot that I told y'all that I would show the final product. I almost forgot. So here's final cornbread. That's just a little bit of ground beef that's left over, but here's cornbread. Focus on the cornbread. Can't wait to dive into that. I'm cooking some more rice, by the way. And here is the finished product. Look at how good that looks. This one is perfect. Look at that. This one, I might dive into the one that's like, that fell over. It fell over. But that is it. That is it. That is my stuffed peppers and cornbread recipe. More to come. Probably the shortest cooking video that I've ever do because it really was simple and it wasn't that much parts to it. But yeah, so enjoy your day. Intro, outro coming soon.